So I think this is the first time this year I'm wearing shoes. This feels really awkward. I'm at the pier. I'm gonna park my bike and follow the little street south from the pier. I should reach Sai Nuan beach. At least that's the target. I've never been this way. I have no idea where I'm going. This is supposed to be an easy hike here in Koh Tao. Looks like some kind of abandoned resort. Sai Nuan beach. I made it. Alright, I think it's enough stress for the trees for one day. This is a really nice hike. Takes about half an hour to get here. Now there are only two problems. I didn't bring any water with me and it's 45 minutes to sunset, so I need to hurry up to get back.